There's something truly special about growing your own food. It's even more rewarding when the whole family can participate. Tomatoes, with their vibrant color and juicy sweetness, are a fantastic choice for a family gardening project. Imagine the joy of your children biting into a sun-warmed tomato they helped grow. This guide will take you through each step of growing tomatoes at home, from tiny seeds to bountiful harvests. This journey is not just about gardening, it's about creating memories. Imagine your family gathered around, tiny hands carefully planting seeds. Picture the excitement as the first green shoots emerge. Think of the laughter as you work together to support the growing plants. Growing tomatoes together can teach valuable lessons about nature, patience, and the rewards of hard work. It's a chance to bond, learn, and create something delicious as a family. So, gather your gardening tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Our tomato growing adventure starts with tiny seeds that hold the promise of delicious fruit. These seeds, though small, are packed with potential and ready to embark on a journey of growth and transformation. The seed starting stage is crucial, as it lays the foundation for healthy and productive plants. Without a strong start, the plants may struggle to thrive later on. To begin, you'll need seed trays, a high-quality seed starting mix, and of course tomato seeds. These basic supplies are essential for giving your seeds the best possible start. Fill the seed trays with the seed starting mix, moistening it evenly. This ensures that the seeds have the right environment to germinate. Make small indentations about a quarter-inch deep in the mix, spacing them a couple of inches apart. This spacing allows each seedling enough room to grow without competition. Gently place one tomato seed in each indentation, then cover them lightly with more mix. Be careful not to bury them too deep, as they need light to germinate. Water the trays gently, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to rot, while underwatering can prevent germination. Now, find a warm and bright spot for your seed trays. Light is crucial for the seedlings to grow strong and healthy. A sunny windowsill or a warm room with grow lights will provide the ideal environment for germination. Consistent light and warmth are key to successful seed starting. Tomato seeds thrive in temperatures between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Maintaining this temperature range is crucial for optimal growth. Keep the soil consistently moist, and within a week or two, you'll be greeted by the miracle of tiny green shoots emerging from the soil. This is the first sign of your successful tomato growing journey. As your tomato seedlings grow taller and stronger, they'll need more space to spread their roots. This calls for transplanting them into larger containers. Choose pots that are at least 6 inches in diameter, ensuring good drainage. Carefully remove each seedling from the seed tray, handling them gently by their leaves to avoid damaging the delicate stems. Fill the new pots with a well-draining potting mix, creating a small well in the center for each seedling. Gently place the seedlings into their new homes, ensuring the root balls are covered with soil. Water thoroughly after transplanting to help the seedlings settle in. Continue to provide your transplanted seedlings with plenty of sunlight and keep the soil consistently moist. As they grow, you can start introducing a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer to provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. Section 4. Providing support, helping your tomatoes stand tall. Tomatoes are vining plants, and as they grow taller, they'll need support to prevent them from sprawling on the ground. Without proper support, the plants can become tangled and more susceptible to pests and diseases. Providing support not only keeps the plants upright but also improves air circulation, reduces the risk of diseases, and makes harvesting easier. This is especially important in humid climates where fungal diseases can thrive. There are several support methods you can use: stakes, cages, or trellises. Each method has its own advantages and can be chosen based on your garden's layout and your personal preference. Stakes are a simple and effective option, providing sturdy vertical support for the plants to climb. They are easy to install and can be made from various materials like wood or metal. Cages offer more comprehensive support, encircling the plants and allowing them to grow freely within the structure. This method is particularly useful for bushier tomato varieties. Trellises are ideal for larger gardens, creating a vertical growing space that maximizes sunlight exposure. They are perfect for indeterminate varieties that continue to grow throughout the season. Whichever method you choose, install the supports when you transplant your seedlings into their final growing locations, whether it's larger pots, raised beds, or directly into the ground. This ensures the plants can grow without disturbance. As the plants grow, gently tie them to the supports using soft garden twine or clips, taking care not to damage the stems. Regularly check and adjust the ties to accommodate the plant's growth. Section 5. Nurturing, growth water, food, and a watchful eye. As your tomato plants flourish, they'll need consistent care and attention to ensure a bountiful harvest. This means dedicating time and effort to their daily needs. Regular watering, fertilization, and pest control are essential aspects of nurturing healthy and productive plants. Each of these tasks plays a crucial role in the overall health of your garden. Tomatoes require consistent moisture, especially during the hot summer months. Without adequate water, the plants can become stressed and produce less fruit. Water deeply and evenly, aiming for the base of the plants to avoid wetting the leaves, which can encourage diseases. This method helps the roots grow stronger and deeper. The frequency of watering will depend on factors such as temperature, humidity, and the type of soil you have. Sandy soils may need more frequent watering compared to clay soils. In addition to water, tomatoes need a steady supply of nutrients to support their growth and fruit production. Nutrients are vital for the development of strong stems and healthy leaves. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks, following the instructions on the package carefully. Over-fertilizing can harm the plants, so precision is key. Regularly inspect your tomato plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection can save your plants from severe damage. Early detection and treatment are crucial for preventing widespread problems. Addressing issues promptly can make a significant difference in plant health. Look for chewed leaves, discolored foliage, or any unusual growths. These signs can indicate the presence of pests or diseases that need immediate attention. If you notice any issues, consult a gardening expert at your local nursery or garden center for advice on appropriate treatments. They can provide tailored solutions to keep your garden thriving. Section 6. The joy of harvest, enjoying the fruits of your labor. After weeks of nurturing your tomato plants, the moment you've all been waiting for has arrived. The harvest. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of plucking a ripe, juicy tomato from the vine and savoring its sun-kissed flavor. Tomatoes are typically ready for harvest about 60 to 80 days after transplanting, depending on the variety. You'll know they're ripe when they've reached their full color and feel slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist or snip the tomatoes from the vine, taking care not to damage the plant. Once you've harvested your bounty of tomatoes, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy them fresh in salads, sandwiches, and salsas. Transform them into flavorful sauces, soups, and stews. Preserve their goodness by canning, freezing, or drying them for enjoyment throughout the year. Section 7. Conclusion. A rewarding experience for the whole family. Growing tomatoes at home is a rewarding experience that the whole family can enjoy. From the excitement of planting tiny seeds to the joy of harvesting ripe, juicy fruit, this journey is filled with valuable lessons and memorable moments. By working together, your family will learn about the wonders of nature, the importance of patience, and the satisfaction of nurturing something from start to finish. You'll create lasting memories, strengthen your bond, and enjoy the fruits of your labor together. So, gather your gardening tools, involve every member of the family, and embark on this exciting adventure. With a little care and attention, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of delicious, homegrown tomatoes that will nourish both body and soul.